Paris, a city of stories whispered in stone and sky. Above the rooftops, you can almost hear the breath of centuries, art, revolution, love, all folded into its skyline. But to understand Paris, you must walk her streets, feel her rhythm, and begin where so many dreams first take shape. And so we begin beneath the iron lace of La Dame de Fer, the Eiffel Tower. They call her La Dame de Fer, the Iron Lady. Built in 1889 for the World's Fair, she was meant to stand for just 20 years. At the time, many Parisians hated her. Writers and artists called her a monstrosity of metal, a scar against the beauty of the city. But time softened her edges. Now she's the soul of the skyline, over 1,000 feet of delicate steel, laced like poetry. I've seen her shimmer by day and sparkle like a secret at night, but standing here beneath her, it's not about the view. It's about the feeling that you've arrived, that something is beginning. But Paris has more stories to tell. Next, we'll follow the curve of cobblestones to the hill where artists dream Montmartre.